All right, these are your board bench presses. Now, your boards are typically going to come in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 board, all right, settings. Now, the purpose in using the board is really if you're trying to help build the lift and you identify where your weak point is, the boards are one way to definitely attack the weak point. They're also going to help you, depending on what type of method you're using, building strength within that range of motion as well. So if you're an athlete, they're just a great tool to use to give you a little bit of a variation, but also still to help build up the bench in the particular area where you may be weak. So obviously the lower board that you use, the more it gets to a, closer to a full rep bench press. The thing with the boards is that when you're using them, you need to make sure that you lower the bar all the way down and pause on the board. So pause and then press back up. A lot of people want to come down, touch, and drive back up, or pop off the board. Come down, pause on it, and drive back up. The higher the board that you use, the closer to lockout that you get, which works different areas of the lift. It also challenges and recruits different muscles. This video is not for that purpose, but there's plenty of other videos on our page and other ones about how to assess the bench press and know exactly, if you're weak at lockout, what muscle groups you need to really be training that might be lagging. Okay, so this is how you utilize a 1 to 5 board on the bench press.